Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam. Welcome back again. So guys, on this channel it's all about making money online, tips and tutorials and reviews. So guys, on today's video I have few subscribers who have requested me to do another video on Sprout gigs. So guys, if you're new to this website, kindly register through my link in my description or my previous videos. So guys, I'm going to log in. If you're new, you can click on sign up, fill in your email, your name, email, password, confirm password, your nickname, and select your country, and make sure you have selected I'm a worker, and then click on sign up. So guys, since I have an account here, so let me log in and then we'll continue with the video. So guys, here we are. On the task we are going to do, you just click on category, choose SEO and promote. So specifically for this video, I'm going to teach you and to specify mostly on step number 4. So all you need to do, you need to go through the instruction given. So clear cookies or open a private browser. So for me, I usually prefer a private browser. So to open a private browser, you come to these 3 dots here, click on new incognito, come back here, then visit the link pointed with the red arrow. So let's open this. So as you can see, you have been provided with the website that you are going to open, and make sure you don't open the one which have been highlighted. So copy and paste the link to your browser. So we are going to copy this, come here and paste on our private browser. So make sure, let's change to English. So you need to click on the first link, no need to go to the previous page. Scroll here, click on read more. As you can see on the instruction, visit the internal link to get to my visit, read more, visit any 10 sites, scroll down each 30 to 25 seconds. Please give first and second URL in the step 4. So here is what you do. After you have open the link, you need to click here on the search again. So the website, as you can see, it's matching Seco something. As you can see here, it's adding the same. So this is the website that we need to open. So as it opens, I usually recommend you open an online stopwatch. So here I have it, but you can use your choice. So click on stopwatch. Oh sorry, I have restarted it. So I usually bring it here. Let me remove this one. So we need to go through this post. So you need to start here. Click the recent, start, scroll up to down, wait until 20 seconds, then we click on the second one, we click on the third one, like that. So for our instruction which were needed, we need to take notes. We have been requested the last paragraph of the 10 posts, URL of the 7 posts visited. So the third one, please give first and second URL from the visited website. So let's wait. So our second have surpassed. So you can count it as you watch, or you just let it continue. So for me, I usually choose to continue. So when it reaches 45, I open the third one. So don't forget, we have been requested the 7th URL. Scroll up to down. 1, 2, 3. We're on the third one. Let's it reach 60. Okay, 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. So scroll up to down, we are on the 4th one. So let's wait, it reaches 20 seconds. So we are here now. So what I usually do when you open, it has reached, so we are on our 5th one. So what I usually do is when I reach the 7th post, that's what I remove my first add URL and then to my 10th post. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So so 2 minutes. So we are in our 7th. Our 7th is this one. So we need to copy this link, bring it here and paste it. So the last paragraph from the 10th post that you have visited. So as you can see, it has reached 20 seconds. So the add URL, it's this one. For those who are asking the banner URL, add URL, it's this one. It usually have an I and an X. An I and an X. And most time, if you don't find it up here, you can always find it like some here, like here, I and an X. You can scroll up to down. Some usually, they usually appear down like this one. So we just need to choose one. So let me start. You are usually advised to visit the add URL for 1 minute. So that's why I have restarted my timer. So my first add URL is this one, but our employer is requesting 2. So I'm going to get my second one in my 10th post. So let's wait for 1 minute. So as the minutes goes, you can navigate through the website that you have open. You can go to contact us, about us, maybe products if they have, like that, just to show some engagement. Sorry for that. So we are waiting for 1 minute so that we can continue. So it's over. So let's restart our timer. So we are on our 7th. So this one is our 8th, 9th, and 10. So our 9. So let me start the timer. Scroll up to down. Then come here and wait for 60 seconds. So our 9 and our 10th. Our 9th. So we are going to our 10th. So this is our last. So we just need to reach around maybe 40, 45. So let me wait until 45. So this is our last one. So you just need to scroll up to the last paragraph. This is the last paragraph. You need to copy here, bring it here and paste. Bring it here, paste it, and then we need to find our second URL. You come back here, click on one ad, and don't forget I have told you ads have an I and an X. So we need to click on one of them. So as it opens, let me restart my timer. Okay, it's taking a while, so let's just wait. Or let me stop it, and then okay, another one have loaded. So let me click on this one, restart my timer. So for ads, make sure they add with these letters here, BWE, and some of them usually add with WCB. So make sure it's adding with that. So we need to copy this one and paste it here. So all we are needed is the link to the website, link to the visited website. So let's wait for 1 minute to add, and then we continue. So as seconds go by, you can navigate the website. So our 1 minute it's over, so let's go back. And then get the link to our website. So the link to our website, you usually click here. Copy and paste. So that's it for today. You need to click on submit, and that's it. So guys, sorry for any errors in between the videos, but I hope this has helped you. Yeah, so guys, see you in my next video, and I'm going to record more every day to show you how to do more tasks and how to make money online. Yeah, so see you, and kindly subscribe and like my video and share to your friends.